Welcome to my channel. My name is Daryl. I'm 63 and I'm basically a do-it-yourselfer. I'm gonna go over various tools that I have in my garage and in my basement. I have some Craftsman, some Ryobi, some even other brands, but mostly Ryobi followed by Craftsman. They've served me well over the years as a do-it-yourselfer, but are they good enough for prime time? You decide. Thought I'd share another yard sale find. I had found a blower and a weed eater, 40 volt. The person had lost the charger and the batteries, and I got them both for 20 bucks, so 10 bucks a piece. I did another video on the blower, but I thought I'd just do a quick sketch on this weed eater. I'll have to pull up the specs and insert them, but for now, let's take a look. It is 40 volt, as I mentioned. It is model number, let's see if I can get that focused. Sorry. Here we go. RY40204. It says 10 to 12 inch string trimmer. I'm not sure, but based on the blower, I would say this thing is probably 5 or 6 years old. 20 bucks, I said, well, let me give it a try. No batteries, but of course I have batteries, so let's plug one in. All right. It's got the safety brake on top and the trigger. Sounds like it runs to me. Let's go give it a try. It's going to be a little more difficult to film a weed eater while holding in camera, but I'll do the best I can. So that's not too bad considering this grass is wet. We had a big rain yesterday. Well, what I'll say is for $10, I got this for $10 and the blower for $10. If you find these at a yard sale, I just showed you how well they work. So I'd put them in your arsenal as a backup or just as a smaller yard like my daughter has. I'm giving these to her. But there are deals out there. Take a look. Bring your batteries in your car. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. Suggest a tool you might want to see. I'm mainly into the Ryobi line. I have links in the comments. If you need the tool, use that link. You might save a few dollars. Also, it doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel and helps me provide this kind of content. Until the next video, y'all take care.